Prepare your next Excel progress bar like this. Select the field range and go to Conditional Formatting. Then click on New Rules. Select User Format to determine which cells to format. And type equal, B2 greater than, and equal 0.8. Click on Format and choose a color. Click on OK. Now go to Conditional Formatting to manage rules, duplicate rules. Double-click one of the rules to edit. Change the condition to equals B2 greater than, equals 0.5, and change the color. Click OK. Double-click another rule. Change the rule to B2, 0.5. Click on Format and change the color. Click OK. Go to Conditional Formatting, Data Bars and select More Rules. Enable Show Bar Only. Under Minimum select Number from Type, and under Maximum select Number and change the value to 1. Now change the fill color to white. And change the bar direction right to left. Now type equals 1 minus B2 in the cell C1 and implement this formula to all the cells. Thanks for watching.